Hey guys, welcome to MPA Motorsports and Off-Road. Here we do all kinds of stuff. This particular customer got a lift kit, updated grill, pull bar with a light bar built into it for when he's up hunting. He mainly uses this truck to tow his boat and go hunting, but he wanted it to look nice. Just give it a little bit of a lift, some Mickey Thompson tires, new wheels, and we also ended up re-gearing this truck. You noticed with a little bit of a lift and the bigger tires, when he was towing his boat, trans was seeking a little bit, so we went ahead and re-geared this for him as well. Then he said, can you do sounds? And yes, we can. We are a one-stop shop. So we went ahead and did an entire Alpine system in this truck and maintained the factory head unit. And the results were awesome. Truck sounds great. It's now everything that he was looking for. Let's check that out real quick. A little creative with his wiring to hide it all inside the truck. Okay. Also, we did custom brackets for every single door speaker, just to get them to work right and make it a nice, clean install. Subwoofer, that was a pre-built enclosure that's designed for this truck. That came out great. But one of the things that really impressed me about this truck is when you go ahead and get in it, when the seats are flipped up, it looks completely factory. The nice thing about the truck is it's still got the factory head unit in it. So once again, everything looks factory as can be. But the nice thing is, there's no distortion at max. You can get in this thing, max it out.
Who would have thought this music thing was going to go this far? I never asked for this. I never asked for this fast living, the women, the whiskey, craziness. There's whiskey in my soul.
I've been drifting down that open highway, finger in the air, 'cause I do things my way.
And that's exactly what the customer wanted. Crystal clear sound, great ride, something he could get up to deer camp with, also tow his boat to go do some fishing in the summer. He's talked about a couple of other things for this truck just to give him a little bit more light, but he says it'd just be for looks because with that light bar in the front, he says it's spot on and does everything he wants it to do. So stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we got a lot more cool builds coming out soon. Look forward to seeing you soon.